This is Science Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surrounding. Very short questions. Is there any similarity in material? Solution: yes. All materials possess mass and occupy space. Question second. When 50 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 ml of water, there is no increase in volume. What characteristic of matter is illustrated by this observation? Solution: this observation indicates that particles of water have space between them into which sugar particles fit. Question third. What happens when an inflated air balloon pricked with a pin? Name the properties of the gaseous state excited by this observation. Solution: the balloons burst and diffusion takes place. Question fourth. Name the process which occurs when a drop of Dettol is added to water. Solution: when Dettol is added to water, diffusion takes place. Question fifth. To which physical state of matter do the following statement apply? First, incompressible, no fixed shape. Second, particles just move around randomly. Then, because of very weak force of attraction. Solution: liquid state, gaseous state. Question 7. Define density and give its SI unit. Solution: density of a substance is defined as the mass per unit volume. Its SI unit is kgm-3. Question 8. In which of the following the particles have highest force of attraction? Water, NaCl, solid, ice or wax? Solution: no. NaCl solid has particles with the highest force of attraction. Question 9. Why do the gases exert more pressure on the wall of the container than the solids? Solution: in gases, the particles move randomly at high speed and they collide with each other and with the wall of the container. Question 10. Which of the following diffuses faster? Water vapor, wax or ethyl alcohol? Solution: water vapors. Question 11. Why do we see water droplet on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? Solution: the water vapor present in the air comes in contact with cold surface of the glass, loses its energy and gets converted into droplet of water. Solution 12. Can material exist in all the three states? Solution: yes, material consist in all the three states under different condition of temperature and pressure. Question number 13. Kinetic energy of particle of water in three vessels A, B and C are EA, AB, EB and EC respectively and EA equals to AB square AC. Arrange the temperatures TA, TB and TC of water in the three vessels in increasing order. Solution: Tc, Tb, Ta. The kinetic energy of particle is greater at higher temperature. Why do Solution 14. Why do gases diffuse rapidly? Solution: gases diffuse rapidly due to high speed of the particle and large space between them. Question 15. A sample of water under study was found to boil at 120 degrees Celsius at normal temperature and pressure. Is that water pure? Will this water freeze at 0 degrees Celsius? Comment. Solution. Its freezing point will be boiling 0 degrees Celsius due to the presence of a non-volatile impurity in it. Question 16. What are characteristics of particles of matters? Solution. The particles of matter have following characteristics. First, particles of matter are very small. Second, particle of matter has space between them. Third, particles of matter attract each other. Fourth, particles of matter are constantly moving. Question number 17. Write four main characteristics of solid state of matter. Solution. First, solid have definite mass, volume and shape. Second, the particles in solid state are closely packed and empty space in them are negligible. Third, solid are rigid. Fourth, solid can have a number of free surfaces. Question number 18. Give two ways in which melting points and boiling point can be useful. Solution. To check whether the substance is pure or not. Then second, to identify and characterize the substance. Question number 19. Why do we feel comfortable under a fan when we are perspiring? Solution. The sweat is readily evaporated from the body by the air from the fan. As a result, we feel comfortable under a fan. Then question number second. This question is very important for exam also. How does evaporation differ from boiling? Then column 2 evaporation boiling. Evaporation पढ़ेंगे पहले. First, evaporation takes place at all temperature. Second, the temperature changes during evaporation. Third, it is a very slow process. Fourth, evaporation takes place only at the surface of the liquid. Then boiling. First, boiling takes place only at the boiling point of the liquid. Second, the temperature does not change during boiling. Third, it is fast process. Fourth, boiling takes place in the entire body of the liquid. This is MCQ for class 9th science chapter 1 matter in our surrounding. Thanks.